welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been like 2 months, maybe even 3 since I filmed the video. I am so sorry, but I'm back and I'm better, you feel me? So y'all have been waiting on this one video, and I'm not lying like the rest of them folks that say highly requested. No baby, this is highly requested. Y'all have been waiting on this Beyani, is it Beyani? Yes, Beyani hair collection video. Baby, I finally got it installed. My sister did my hair. She installed it. I laid down my closure. And now I'm about to curl it so y'all can get the details on this hair. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this closure. So right now I have in a 20-inch HD closure. I think it's a 5x5 closure. Let me just start off by saying, originally the closure had hella flyaways. Like, it looked like a rooster was sitting on top of my head like this. I literally had to go in and pluck the closure. You probably can still see some of the flyaways. Yes, because it was hella flyaways. Like, straight up, all these was flyaways. I had to go in and pluck them out. And I still ain't do enough plucking because they still there. But I used my Lot Body, sprayed it in my hand, smoothed it down after I plugged it, and this is what we're left with. So it's not bad once you go ahead and pluck them out, but just know that you're gonna have to do a lot of foundation to your lace, period. I bleached the knots, I plucked the closure, and I added a little foundation to the closure. So I don't know if y'all can see, I will zoom in, but this is what the closure is looking like so far. And this is my own personal work. I am not a professional at all. As far as the hair goes, the specs on the hair that I have is a 24, 26, and 28 in body wave. Now this is where it stops at now. As you can see, I cut the ends. I will insert a picture of what the ends look like, but you know, the longer the bundles is, the thinner it is at the end. So I just went ahead and chopped the ends off so we can make it a little bit fuller. To your lace, period. I bleached the knots, I plucked the closure, and I added a little foundation to the closure. So I don't know if y'all can see, I will zoom in, but this is what the closure is looking like so far. And this is my own personal work. I am not a professional at all. As far as the hair goes, the specs on the hair that I have is a 24, 26, and 28 in body wave. Now this is where it stops at now. As you can see, I cut the ends. I will insert a picture of what the ends look like, but you know, the longer the bundles is, the thinner it is at the end. So I just went ahead and chopped the ends off so we can make it a little bit fuller. This is how thick the hair is. This is 3 bundles in a closure. This is where it stops on me, and this is after I cut it, y'all. So right above my butt, before I cut it, it was literally down here. Way too long for me, but this is still a tad bit too long, but we're gonna make it work. As far as shedding goes, this hair sheds everywhere. Everywhere. This hair sheds a lot. It sheds. That's just what it's gonna do. It's very thick, maybe because I have 3 bundles and a closure in my head, so it is kind of thick. But I'm running my hands through the hair. I didn't get any right there. Let's run it again. I didn't get any right there. Okay. Well, no, there is some. But it's hair, so it's gonna shade. That's just what it does. But as far as the softness of the hair, it's very soft. It's not rough. I can run my fingers through it. See? I can run my fingers through it. It's very soft and it holds a curl. Like what y'all are seeing right now is, I'm not even gonna cap to y'all, this is curls from Halloween. This is curls from Halloween. And I haven't recurled my hair yet, but we're about to recurl it now. So y'all can get a picture of what it looks like when it's curled. But my experience with this hair so far has not been bad. It's very easy go hair. It does get a little tangly, but we all know that the longer the hair is, the more it's gonna tangle. But once you brush it through, it's okay. Now y'all know the background of this hair. I will link the video that I did previously in the cards above, so you guys can hear about my personal experience with them. If you know, this hair did come free. I did get this hair free. I got the hair and the closure free. But in order to find out why I got the hair and the closure free, watch the video linked in the bio. You know what I'm saying? But shameless plug. But as far as the hair goes, I mean, it's not bad. Would I purchase this with my own coins? Probably not. I won't go back and purchase with my own coins because of the experience that I had with them before previously. It left kind of a bad taste in my mouth. So I probably will not personally, you know, spend my own coins with them again. But like I said, in order to figure out why, you would literally have to watch the video in the cards. Shameless plug. But I just want y'all to see how the hair curls. It gives you a little nice little curl. Does this seem like the same hair that Arrogant TAE and Ari and Jada and everybody else is wearing? Does it look like it to you? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm not a hairstylist, so I just don't know what I'm doing. But it does seem like a slight difference. Seems like a slight difference. I could be exaggerating because I'm only looking from Instagram. So what I'm gonna do is curl my hair, and then I'm gonna come back so y'all can see the end result, and then I'm gonna give you my final review on the hair, how it curls and everything. Okay, I'm back after curling my hair, and this is what we have. You see it's a lot of body, it's a lot of shine. It holds the curl really well. It did shed a lot. This is just a couple strands. Definitely sheds, so expect a lot of shedding. It's very thick though, so you don't need as many bundles as I have, since I do have the HD closure in my head. My hair is very thick with these 3 bundles, so I feel like a closure in maybe 2 bundles, maybe 2.5, depending on how you like your hair, will suffice. But yeah, y'all, this is me. This is me. And my Beyani. Sorry for my chair squeaking, but yes, this is how we're rocking. Y'all like? But like I said, overall, from my experience, personally, for me, I don't know if I would give them another chance. Based off of my initial experience, even though they did rectify it, I don't want to have to go through none of that again. Like I said, y'all can watch the video in the cards up above, because I will link it, and I will also put it in the description box. Yes, but as far as, you know, it's bomb. And I didn't dye it jet black at all. So this is the natural color of the hair. So it's a little brown. It's not too bad, as you can see, but these curls are beautiful. So this is what we're working with, guys. Yeah, so all I would say is I don't know how their customer service has been lately, so I cannot vouch. I did get this hair in January, back from a previous experience with them during Black Friday. But as far as this hair, I don't have any complaints. Like I said, I haven't curled my hair again since probably Halloween. And y'all seen at the beginning how it was looking. So, make your own opinions. Just be careful, and if you don't have a good experience, get your money back. That's all I can say, guys. But thank you for subscribing. For those of you who stayed down while I was missing, I really appreciate you. Leave me some suggestions and comments down below of the type of content you guys want to do, because we back. Period. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.